Hey guys, this is Art, and today the drawing I have for you is Aang from The Last Airbender. And the scene that I'm trying to recreate in this drawing is none other than the final battle when Aang fought against Fire Lord Ozai at the end of the series. I knew at the very beginning that I wanted to draw Aang in the Avatar state. The question though is at what point in the series when he was in the Avatar state that I wanted to draw, but every time I always went back to the final battle with him and the Fire Lord. And to be honest, I spent more time drawing all the 4 elements than I did drawing Aang. Which did not come to a surprise to me because I knew if I did not draw the 4 elements correctly, the whole thing would not work. And right here what I'm doing is doing the color blocks for the rocks. I will be coming back to this shortly. As for the fire, a tip for drawing fire is to go from the lighter shades of yellow to more oranges to at the end, reds. And the way you blend the colors in correctly is you kind of use the smudge tool, which kind of just blends in the colors together while adding a slight motion blur to give it that sense of motion that it needs. To make rocks appear 3D is to understand the lighting and adding shading and highlights where needed. And now onto the element of water. As you can see, I'm using a lot of different motion lines with different color blues, but the way that I actually brought it to life is the use of the smudge tool. By using the smudge tool, it helps blend in all the different shades of blue, all the different colors of blue, all together to give it that fluidity, and that in turn makes it look like water. But also draw small water droplets that are not inside to give it that sense of motion. And the way I drew the glow in the Avatar state is to simply draw it as white and adding a blue outer glow. I didn't record myself drawing the element of air, but essentially it's drawing a lot of little lines, adding motion blur and then warping it in the shape of a circle. And then adding white in certain places to appear as if there's more air flowing at that spot. And here is a printout of the final completed drawing of Aang in his Avatar state when he fought against Fire Lord Ozai. A lot of time went into drawing all those elements, but at the end, it was totally worth it. And that's it. If you liked this video, why don't you give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, welcome, and why don't you consider hitting that subscribe button so you never miss any new drawing that I do. And until the next video guys, goodbye.